Hey, I can't express how satisfied I am when we get the new information about any Apple's tablet lately, regardless if this one specifically is set to arrive in 2024. I can't help it. This year was absolutely sad for iPad so far, and we can't exclude possibility this trend may continue all the way till the end of 2023. Let's talk about the next iPad Pro. But before that, I'm curious to hear from you. What is the number one feature that you're looking forward to see on the upcoming professional iPads? Please answer in the comment section below. Hi friends, and welcome to Digital Marketing Channel. My name is Marco and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is sponsored by EaseUs. Now let's go. If there is an iPad that was so frequently mentioned in news articles and on social media this year, or the previous one, that's the next iPad Pro. It literally stolen the show from iPad 10 in 2022 by far. We've heard a lot, and if we sum up everything, it feels like it's already arrived. The first and the biggest reveal was about display. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo was one of the first that pointed out this possibility, although in few instances he was referring to iPad Air. Display supply chain consultant CEO Ross Young also confirmed that professional iPads will indeed arrive with OLED technology, while Bloomberg's Mark Gurman just added a cherry on the cake with the leak suggesting increase in display size on both models, 11.1 inch on the smaller one and jump to 13-inch screen diagonal on Apple's biggest tablet. It is estimated that there will be no change in the form factor, so technically should be the same size as the current iterations, with bezels a bit thinner. Will it be as thin so it makes sense to bring dynamic island on the iPad? We will see. The fans are divided in two camps, one for such change, others that are against it. But Mark Gurman recently unveiled another interesting information in regards to next iPad Pro lineup. According to him, we should also anticipate new edition of Magic Keyboard. This may seem confusing at first if there is a notion how size of upcoming Pro iPads will be no different from its predecessors, but it's not. If you recall, during the last year's rumor mill, Japanese portal Mako Takara published an article mentioning alleged 4-pin smart connectors on top and on the bottom edge. This could likely be the reason why there will be another version of this super expensive iPad accessory. To be honest, I doubt this will be the only product of this category that will be introduced alongside Apple's flagship tablets. I've talked about this already and we know what it is. The third generation pencil has been a pending surprise for more than 2 years. Expect change in magnetic charging connector, its design and perhaps location if it arrives. I've made many videos about it and I'll make another one soon too. But you know what else I'm gonna do? Before I install iPad OS 17, I will back up and restore my data using EaseUs MobyMover, an iOS data transfer and management software, a tool that has been featured on some of the most recognized tech portals. It is easy to install and set up. You want to back up and restore your iPad or iPhone data? No problem, it's just a matter of click. It allows you to transfer files between your Mac and iPad or iPhone and vice versa. You can also back up your WhatsApp data and restore it between two iPhones if you prefer. MobyMover even goes beyond. It allows you to quickly convert high-efficiency image format to JPEG, movies to MP3, and even download videos from multiple platforms. Make sure you check it out. Click on the link in the description and in pinned comment. The specs about the next year's release have been suspected even before we got iPad Pro models in 2022. We all expect to witness introduction of the M3 Silicon within Cupertino's most expensive tablet. Yep, you got that right. And by knowing Apple, with all new goodies potentially coming, it's better that we prepare ourselves and completely wipe any idea about similar prices. With so many improvements, bro, these tablets gonna cost. As I stated numerous times, it would be great if there is a chance to get 16 gigs of memory, available on all versions, even those with base storage. Speaking about base configuration, it's time that Apple push 128 gigs variant aside and replace it with 256 gigs. It would be more than welcome upgrade upgrade for many users. What would be considered as a mystery for the upcoming iPad Pro models are rear cameras. What could it be? Well, it will likely be similar to 2022 iteration or with some upgrade like 48 megapixel sensor that has been included within iPhone 14 Pro lineup. No one would complain if Cupertino's giant opt to add another, this time telephoto shooter, although I don't know many users who use their iPads for photo and video shooting. It happened to me a couple of times. Sadly, we're still long away from this generation of Apple's professional tablets, so it's better that we focus on September 1st, because we are already in it, and the next keynote is just days away. That's all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, slap that thumbs up, and turn on all notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Markings. My name is Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.